Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the problem jump game. Okay. In this problem, you are given an integer array of nums. You are initially positioned at the array's first index, and each element in the array represents the maximum jump length at that position. Looking into an example given, the cursor starts from the first position, and we can jump up maximum up to 2 positions. Then 1, 2. It is a maximum one here. Then we can jump up maximum up to 1 item. Then the cursor is here. Then also we can jump up to maximum of 1. That reach the cursor to the last position. So it returns true. Let's look into another example. Here given 32104, where starting from the first index, we can jump 3 positions. So let's say it jump 3 positions. So 1, 2, 3. After reaching at the fourth index, the value is 0. So from there we cannot jump any further anymore. So it fails to reach the last index. This example return false. Okay, let's solve this problem. We want to maintain a variable called a goal. Now, let's say it is g, and it means that what is the goal we want to reach. Here, in this example, for fourth index is the goal, and we want to check from the last index to the 0th index whether it can reach the goal index. The last index is 4. It is already in the goal index, so we want to move to the next index. That is 3. From index 3 to reach the index 4, we can jump. Maximum jump can from third index is 1. From one jump itself, it can reach the goal index 4. In that case, we want to update the goal index to the 3. Next, we want to iterate to the next index, that is 2. From index 2, can we reach the goal index 3? Yes, with the one jump itself, it can reach the goal index 3. So we want to update the goal index to 2. So in the next iteration, the index is 1. Here the goal is 2. Can from index 1 with the 3 jumps, can it reach the index goal 2? Yes. So we want to update the goal index. In the next iteration, the index value is 0 and the goal value is 1. Whether with a jump of 2, it can easily reach to the goal index 1. So we want to update the goal index to 0. We want to return true. After on the iteration, we reached the goal index to 0. So from the 0th index, we can reach the last index. We want to return true. Let's take another example. Here, the values are 3, 2, 1, 0, and 4. We represent its index values and set the goal index as 4. It is the target index we want to reach. Okay, iterating from the last index to the 0th index. Check this value can reach the goal index. It's already in the goal index. So we want to iterate to the next value. Now its value is 0. It can only jump up to a 0 value. So it cannot reach the goal index. So let's start coding. Let's define a goal index, that is int goal index equals to nums dot length minus 1, iterating from the last to first index for int. Here we define a goal index variable, that is the last index. From iterating from the last index to the first index, check if the value inside that index plus current index greater than or equal to the goal index. Then goal index is set to the ith element. After iteration, we want to check if the goal index equal to 0, then return true, otherwise return false. Let's run this program. Thank you for watching this video.